So in this video, we are going to see how we can create a beautiful texture art with the help of things available at our home itself. So here I am using a wooden board which I got from a dollar store. And we cover all the corners of this wooden board with the help of painter tape. Why we are doing it? We'll see at the last. So let's see what are the things we are using for making this texture art. So here I am using a homemade texture paste. If you need a detailed video how I made this homemade texture paste, just let me know in the comment section and I will upload a detailed video on this. And the next thing is comb. So first we are going to mix our texture paste. It will remove all the air bubbles. It will reduce the chances of cracks. So here you can see I am spreading our texture paste evenly on our board. First we will make the background for this texture art. For this, you need to lightly tap the texture paste with the help of your finger. It will create a very nice texture pattern which is perfect for our background. Now we are going to create a pattern with the help of comb. For this, you need to slightly place the comb and sliding it towards the other end. We will repeat the same for the other end as well. Here I am making the background pattern again with finger. Just filling up the remaining part. And in less than a minute, our texture art is ready. Now we will remove the tape and look how nice and clean our corners are looking. Now let's remove the tape from the other sides as well. Once the texture paste is dry, you can even color your artwork as well. And here is the final look of our texture art. Let me know in the comment section if you have any query and I would love to answer. See you in the next video. Bye bye.